This is a Trak model DPM-V5 with a Proto Trak VM control. Computer module was refurbished from Southwestern Industries and updated with a flash drive. It was installed in September of 2025. It's a 12 by 50 table, 40 by 20 by 23 and a half travels, 40 taper spindle, AC variable, so programmable spindle speeds up to 4,000 RPM, 5 horsepower. It also has tracking, which is an option, power drawbar, auto lube, a curt vise, and a large chip pan. Okay, Charles. Okay. Yeah.
Spindle speed's running at 1250.
This just has a repeat program in it, so we'll just video it for a little bit.